Good morning, student. Welcome back. My name is Swati Sharma. Today's date is 7 July. Jai Swaminarayan, Atmiya Green School, Jadeshwar, Bharuch. And now we have starting our new chapter, that is practical geometry. Okay, I hope you have completed your our last chapter in your notebook, and if you have any doubt, tell me on WhatsApp. Okay, now our new chapter name is practical geometry. You know about you know this name geometry is the familiar with you, because in your last classes, previous classes, you have learned about geometry. In geometry we have learned about shapes, point, line segment, ray, etc. Okay, and most common thing is angle. Okay, when two rays meet at a point, it make an angles. Okay, so and if three lines made up of three lines close figure, what is called it? It is called a triangle. And in 7th standard we have learned about triangle, and we very well know what is triangle and what is how to construct a triangle. Okay, now in this chapter we have construct a quadrilateral. In triangle there are three sides and it is made up of three sides close figure. Okay, that is called triangle. Now what is quadrilateral? Quadrilateral is four side close figure is called quadrilateral. Now in this chapter we have learned about, see, introduction, quadrilaterals, construction of quadrilateral with four side and one diagonal, three side and two diagonal, two sides and three angles, and three sides and two angles. Now let us see what is quadrilateral. These are four sides these all figure are made up of four sides. Okay, and it is closed figure, so it is called quadrilateral. See, in a quadrilateral type of quadrilateral you have to write square, rectangle, this is parallelogram, this is rhombus, and this is trapezium. Okay, now what is quadrilateral? See, in a square we know all four sides are equal and all four angles are equal, and in a rectangle all four angles are 90 degree. Square and rectangle, all four angles are 90 degree. But what is the difference between square and rectangle? Square having all four sides are equal and rectangle having all four angles are equal, but opposite sides are parallel and equal. Okay, in rectangle opposite sides are parallel and equal, understand? And in a rhombus all four sides are equal and opposite angles are equal. In parallelogram same, opposite sides are parallel and equal, and opposite angles are equal. And in a trapezium only one pair of opposite sides are parallel. So we see in a quadrilateral always four side, we talking about four side, four angle, and two diagonals. They have two diagonals. ओके, इफ हमें अगर इतनी जानकारी होगी तो हम क्वाड्रिलेटरल इजीली ड्रॉ कर पाएंगे. ओके, वी हैव ड्रॉ क्वाड्रिलेटरल इजीली, बट इज इट इज कंपल्सरली four side, four angle and two diagonal is given? No, it is not compulsory. Okay, so let's take, so first is quadrilateral with four sides and one diagonal. If four sides are given and one diagonal are given, then how to construct a quadrilateral? So question 1, let's take one example. Construct quadrilateral ABCD such that AB is equal to 4.5 centimeter, BC is equal to 5.5 centimeter, CD is equal to 4 centimeter, AD is equal to 6 centimeter, and AC is equal to 7 centimeter. Okay, you have to draw quadrilateral ABCD. Okay, now in this quadrilateral you have to see, first of all you have draw a rough diagram. Okay, it is a rough diagram of your quadrilateral ABCD. Write the name, always write the name clockwise or anti-clockwise. Okay, ABCD. Okay, AB is 4.5, BC is 5.5, CD is 4 centimeter, and AD is 6 centimeter. Okay, now AC is given 7 centimeter. So you have to draw a quadrilateral, means you have to construct it. This is your rough figure. Okay, draw and rough figure. So in your mind the figure is ready, how the quadrilateral can be constructed. Okay, now let's start. What you do, first of all you have to draw AC. Okay, because AC is 7 centimeter, so draw AC 7 centimeter. Okay, understand? Now because 7 is the greatest value. Okay, so first of all draw AC. AC is equal to 7 centimeter. Now you have, you know what is the distance of A to, there is two triangle are there. Okay, a triangle ACD and triangle ABC. So you know how to draw the triangles. If you know all the sides, then how to draw the triangle, you know, in 7th standard we have constructed. Okay, now let's construct the quadrilateral. So first you draw the AC is 7 centimeter. Now A is the center, draw AB. AB is equal to, what is the difference? AB is equal to 4.5. So A is the center, draw 4.5 centimeter. Okay, so 4.5 centimeter is here. Okay, this is, and as a C as a center and draw 5.5, take 5.5 as a radius and draw the arc. Okay, now take AD. What is the difference of AD? AD is 6 centimeter. Take A as a center and draw AD and draw CD is equal to 4 centimeter and make join them, and it is your required quadrilateral. Okay, okay. Now first step, draw the diagonal AC is equal to 7 centimeter. Now second step, what you do? Step number second is draw triangle ABC using SSS construction condition, means side side side. AC diagonal of ABCD. Okay, AC is the diagonal of ABCD. Okay, quadrilateral ABCD का diagonal है AC. So you have to draw an arc from A to locate point D. Okay, and which what is the distance? Distance of AD is 6 centimeter. Okay, AD is 6 centimeter na. Now join AD and CD. So it's your triangle ACD. Okay, result ABCD is a quadrilateral. Okay, understand? So this type you have to draw a quadrilateral when 4 side and a diagonal is given. Okay, now let's take second example. Let's construct a rhombus BEST with B is equal to 4.5 centimeter and ET is equal to 6 centimeter. Now see here, it is construction of rhombus, and if you know the property of rhombus, then you easily construct the rhombus. See, if in a rhombus all the sides are equal measure. Okay, so construct, if all the sides are equal measure, then BT is equal, if B is equal to 4.5, then BT is equal to 4.5, matlab all the sides are 4.5 and the diagonal is 6 centimeter. Okay, now let's construct this rhombus. Okay, now first draw the diagonal ET, that is 6 centimeter. Okay, now construct triangle ETS. Construct triangle ETS and ETBET. Okay, so first T as a center, draw a arc 4.5 centimeter and E as a center, draw another arc. So you take you get a point B. Okay, join them EB and TB. Okay, now take 4.5 centimeter another from E and make an arc, and again T as a center, join and join them. Okay, join them. This is your point S. Okay, this is your required quadrilateral. Now write the step of construction. Okay.